Thessaloniki is a city in northern Greece with a rich history and cultural heritage. As the second largest city in Greece, it has a lot to offer visitors, from ancient ruins and Byzantine churches to modern museums and trendy cafes. One of Thessaloniki's most iconic landmarks is the White Tower. It's a cylindrical fortress dating back to the Ottoman Empire, standing prominently by the waterfront. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower for panoramic views of the city and the Aegean Sea. Aristoteles Square is the main city square of Thessaloniki, located on Nikis Avenue. Its history begins with the Great Fire of 1917, which destroyed two-thirds of the city. Due to its location in the city's heart, the square is used for almost all significant celebrations and several important party rallies. The city was founded in 315 BC by Cassander of Macedon, who named it after his wife, Thessaloniki, who was also Alexander the Great's sister. Its strategic location made it a possession of various empires throughout history, including the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. Each of these civilizations left its mark on the city, contributing to its unique architectural and cultural heritage. The Heptapyrgion is a Byzantine and Ottoman-era fortress northeast of the Acropolis of Thessaloniki. Several institutes participated in the relevant projects of its systematic archaeological study and restoration. Another must-visit attraction is the Archaeological Museum of Thessaloniki, which houses a vast collection of artifacts from ancient Greece, including sculptures, pottery, and jewelry. For those interested in religious history, the city has several stunning Byzantine churches, such as Holy Church of St. Demetrius, Holy Church of Hagia Sophia, and Holy Church of Panagia Dexia. These churches are known for their intricate mosaics and frescoes, which date back to the medieval era. Rotunda of Galerius is a historical landmark built as a Roman worship house in the early days. The rotunda's importance as one of the earliest Christian monuments in the Eastern Roman Empire led to its inscription on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1988. The cylindrical structure was built around 306 AD with the intention to be Galerius's mausoleum. It was converted into a church in the late 4th century, and an apsidal choir extension was added as well as a wide ambulatory around the perimeter. It is known for its impressive mosaics and frescoes. Arch of Galerius is an iconic monument dedicated in 303 CE featuring relief scenes of Galerius's victory over the Persians. A road connecting the rotunda, 125 meters northeast, with the palace complex, 235 meters southwest, passed through the arch along its long axis. The Thessaloniki International Film Festival, held annually in November, attracts filmmakers and cinephiles worldwide. Thessaloniki has a vibrant academic community. The city's universities and research institutions contribute to its reputation as a center for innovation and entrepreneurship. Aristotle University of Thessaloniki is one of the largest universities in Greece. The bustling Modiano and Kapani markets are treasure troves of local produce, spices, and seafood, offering a feast for the senses. Thessaloniki's laid-back atmosphere and Mediterranean climate make it an ideal destination for leisure and relaxation. Locals and visitors enjoy strolling along the waterfront promenade or soaking up the sun at nearby beaches. Overall, Thessaloniki is an excellent destination for anyone looking to explore Greece beyond the typical tourist hotspots.